This is Module 6, Lesson 2, Modeling Linear Relationships. This is Standard 8FB4, where we construct a function to model a linear relationship, and we're going to interpret the rate of change in initial value based on the context. The first things we're going to do here is we're going to write and interpret components of linear equations that model relationships. Okay, this is all comes to your Eureka workbook, Module 6, Lesson 1. This is page 1. We're going to ignore the first part of the problem. It's basically talking about buying internet service. They're saying that this is kind of an old-timey situation where you buy it by the minute. This company doesn't, says Lenore is considering this company's plan, but the company's advertisement doesn't state how much the fixed access fee is for connecting. Okay, and it doesn't state the usage rate. However, the company's website says a 10-minute session costs 40 cents. And a 20-minute session costs 70 cents, and a 30-minute session costs $1. So she's going to use these pieces of information to figure out the linear equation. Y is equal to mx plus b, where b is your usage rate. M is your usage rate, and b is your initial fee. So she makes the table of the information she's got. 10 minutes costs 40 cents, see? Minutes, total session cost. 20 minutes costs 70, and 30 minutes costs $1. First off, is this equation linear? Well, if the slope is the same between all points, it would be linear. So let's check it. We know that our slope is rise over run, or change in y over change in x. Here's your x, here's your y. On our x here, we've got, let's see, 0.70 minus 0.40, which gives us 0.30. And over here, we've got 20 minus 10, which gives us 10. So this m would be 0.30 over 10. Or if you take care of that, if you divide that, you wind up with 0.03, and that would be in what? Dollars per minute, right? Or in other words, 3 cents per minute. Let's see if we get the same thing for this one. That would be 1.0 minus 0.7, and I get 0.30. And here it is 30 minus 20, and that gives me 10. So once again, I wind up with the slope that is 0.30 over 10, which gives me 0.03. In other words, 3 cents per minute. So can I fill out the rest of the table? Well, if each time I'm going up 10 minutes, how much am I going up on my fee? Well, from 70 to 40, that's 30 cents. 30 cents. So from $1 to another 30 cents is $1.30. We're going up another 10 minutes. So another 30 cents, $1.60. We're going up another 10 minutes. So another 30 cents, $1.90. Okay, so there's our chart. Let's see if we can plot this. Well, we need our zero, don't we? If we're going up 30 cents each time here, if we go back from 10 to 0, we need to go down 30 cents. If we do, doesn't that give us 10 cents? So we're starting at 10 cents. At 0 time, we have 10 cents. That's our B, isn't it? Okay? Now, let's do another point. At 10 minutes is 40 cents. That'd just be just a little bit below the 50. At 20 minutes, it would be 70 cents. And we're right in here between the 0.5 and 0.1, and 0.5 and 1. Okay. 30 is $1. Okay. 40 is $1.30. So $1, that'd be a little bit below, into those. Let's see, at 50 is $1.60. That'd be right about there. And at 60 minutes, it would be $1.90. That'd be right about there. Okay, so all you got to do is connect your points, and you've got your line, right? I can't draw very well, but there we go. And now we've expressed it. You have a word problem. You have a data table. You have a chart. Now let's do our equation. Y is equal to, what is our slope? We said it was 0.03. That's our rate of change. 3 cents per minute times your number of minutes plus, what was our initial fee? At time 0, our cost was 10 cents. So 0.10. So this says the total cost would be 3 cents per minute times your number of minutes plus 10 cents as an initial fee. Okay? This covers page 1 and 2, so let's go to page 3. Another rate plan. A second wireless access company has a similar method for computing its cost. Unlike the first company that Lenore was considering, this second company explicitly states its access fee is 15 cents, so they start with 15 cents. And its usage rate is 4 cents per minute. So 4 cents per minute times your number of minutes. That's your total cost. So let's write the linear equation. What I'd like to do here is write our linear equation. Y is equal to mx plus b. Where do we start? At 15 cents. Even at 0 time, you're paying 15 cents. Okay? Now, your rate of change is 4 cents per minute. That's your M, your rate of change. X is your number of minutes. Your total cost is 4 cents per minute times your number of minutes plus 15 cents initial fee. B is where we start, 15 cents. This is your rate of change. Now they want us to fill out the chart here. Well, if my equation was Y is equal to 4 cents per minute times the number of minutes plus 15 cents, let's fill out our chart. What about at 0 time? Y is equal to 4 cents per minute times 0 minutes plus 15 cents. That's just 15 cents. So at 0 time is 15 cents. How about at 10 minutes? Y is equal to 4 cents per minute times 10 minutes plus 15 cents. Well, that would be 40 cents plus 15 cents. That's 55 cents. Okay? Let's do the 20. Y is equal to 4 cents per minute times 20 minutes plus 15 cents. And this would give me 80 cents plus 15 cents. That would give me 95 cents. Okay? So what am I doing each time? I'm adding what? 40 cents each time, right? Okay. Well, if I'm going to keep the same distance here, I'm going to have the same thing here. If I add 40 cents to this, that would be $1.35. If I add another 40 cents, it's $1.75. If I add another 40 cents, it's $2.15. If I add another 40 cents, it's $2.55. Okay? Let's go to page 4. It says an MP3 download sites were popular for selling music. Okay, different sites offer pricing that depends on whether or not you want to purchase an entire album or individual songs a la carte. One site offers MP3 downloads of individual songs with the following price structure. A $3 fixed fee for a monthly subscription plus a charge of 25 cents per song. Okay, so let's write the linear equation here. We start with Y is equal to mx plus b. Our fixed fee is $3. Our price per song is 25 cents, so that's 0.25x plus 3. Okay, they want us to figure this out for different numbers of songs in increments of 10. Number of songs cost 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. If I have 0 songs, let's plug this in. Y is equal to 25 cents per song times 0 songs plus 3. That would be a cost of $3. Okay, let's try it for 10 songs. Y is equal to 25 cents per song plus times 10 songs plus $3. That's $2.50 plus 3, which gives me $5.50. Okay. Let's see, let's do for 20. Y is equal to 25 cents per song times 20 songs plus $3. And that would give me, let's see, 25 cents times 2.50 would be $5, right? 25 cents times 20. Hold on.
Just checking.
Gives me $5. Plus 3 gives me $8, okay? All right, well, what are we adding each time? Because these are the same, so we've got the same pattern one here. We're adding $2.50 each time, right? So that would be $10.50. Add $2.50, you get $13. Add $2.50, you got $15.50. Add $2.50, it's $18. Add $2.50, it's $20.50. Add $2.50, that's $23. Add $2.50, that's $25.50. Add $2.50, that's $28. Okay. Now look on page 5. A band will be paid a flat fee for playing a concert. Additionally, the band will receive a fixed amount for every ticket sold. If 40 tickets are sold, the band gets $200. If 70 tickets are sold, the band gets $260. Determine the rate of change, the M, the change in Y over change in X. Well, it doesn't tell you what it is here, but it does give you some points. If 40 tickets are sold, you got $200. If 70 tickets are sold, you have $260. We can set up a T-chart. This is the number of tickets. And this is what the band gets, the money the band gets, right? If they sell 40 tickets, they get $200. If they sell 70 tickets, they get $260. You think, well, why don't you just divide 200 by 40? But it's not that simple because, look, we've got this fixed fee that the band's going to get, this B, all right? So you can't do that if your B is not 0. So let's try this, guys. We know change in Y over change in X. So change in Y here is 260 minus 200, which is 60. Change in X here is 70 minus 40, which gives us 30. Okay? So change in Y over change in X here is 60 over 30, which gives me 2. That's $2 per ticket. Okay, that's what the band's going to get. So we put that in as our rate of change. Y is equal to 2x plus b. But I don't have b. How do I get the b? How do I get what the band's going to get as a flat fee? Plug in a point. What if we take this 40 and 200, or the other, doesn't matter. Here's your x, here's your y. Y is 200 is equal to 2 times 40 plus b. Okay? 2 times 40 is what they're going to get in ticket sales, right? That's $80. Okay? If I subtract that from the 200, it tells me how much they get as their flat fee, which is 120. So our equation becomes y is equal to 2x plus 120. What do they get for as a flat fee? $120. What do they get per ticket? $2. Okay, let's look on page 11, number 2. A shipping company charges $4.45 handling fee in addition to 27 cents per pound to ship a package. Okay, they want the equation. Y is equal to mx plus b. Our b is $4.45. That's our starting fee. Our rate of change is 27 cents per pound. Okay, so it's 27 cents per pound times the number of pounds plus $4.45. Which one of these, A, B, or C, corresponds to that? Well, if you're starting at $4.45 and going up, A is the one that corresponds to it. Okay, go to number 3 on page 11. Kelly wants to add music to her MP3 player. Another subscription site offers us downloading services that looks like this. Total monthly cost is $5.25 plus 30 cents times per song times number of songs. Wouldn't that be equal to y is equal to 30 cents per song times your number of songs plus $5.25? How much would 10 songs cost? Plug in your 10. Y is equal to 30 cents per song times 10 songs plus $5.25. This is $3 plus $5.25 gives you $8.25. Okay? Now look at 4. Lanai's saving money. Her parents gave her an amount to start. Since then, she's been putting aside an fixed amount each week. After 6 weeks, Lanai has a total of $82. We're going to scratch the rest of this, okay? $82. 14 weeks, she has got $118. Okay, so we need to write her linear equation. Y is equal to mx plus b. I don't have the m or the b, but I do have 2 points, don't I? At 6 weeks, she's got $82. At 14 weeks, she has got $118. Okay? So to find the m, we find the difference in the y over the difference in the x. 118 minus 82 over 14 minus 6. Okay? 118 minus 82 gives us 36 divided by 8, which is 450. So she's saving 450 per month, per week. 450, that's her rate of change. X plus B. We need B. To get B, we plug in one of our points. How about we use 6 and 82? Here's our X, here's our Y. 82 is equal to 450 per week times 6 weeks plus whatever she was given to start with. So 450 times 6 gives us 27. If we subtract 27 from each side, we wound up with 55 is equal to B. Our equation becomes y is equal to 450 x plus 55. That means she's saving $450 a week, and her parents gave her $55. And then finally, this is on page 11. A rental car offers a rental package for a mid-sized car. The cost is comprised of a fixed $30 administrative fee for cleaning and maintenance, and then $35 per day. Let's write the linear equation. Y is equal to mx plus b. Our m is 35, that's our rate of change, times the number of days plus your $30 administrative fee. The same company is advertising a deal on compact car rentals. The linear function is right here. What's the fixed administrative fee? The fixed fee is your B, $15. What's the rental cost per day? That would be your $30 per day. Okay? All right, that covers everything for lesson 1. All right, that shows us how we can model equations, model relationships using linear equations.